has to be right next to it. Alright, the game we're about to play today for the Gamer Bros is White Noise Tale of Terror. I believe, for all you computer gamers, this was a game that might have been on the computer. Now it's being featured on Xbox. This crappy TV, I'm sorry. Sorry.
It's crappy, I don't blame you.
Yeah.
Maybe
Enhanced gamer
later.
experience with the lights on. I'm gonna read it.
Dude, this
Okay,
is
so
like your grudge game.
We first heard of the rumors some weeks ago. Strange disappearances near an old plot in northwest France. Me and my workmate quickly planned the trip. We wanted to publish a story in the re-owned paranormal magazine we worked for. We ended up in a small town near the plot. I stayed in a hotel room getting the cameras ready while my pal went out to put some tape recorders in the area. It's been almost 2 hours and I'm a little bit worried, so I'm going out to look for him. Dipshit. Wish me luck.
Jeez, that's messed up.
White House.
Oh, by the way, it's actually meant to look double featured like that. It's not that bad of quality on the TV.
A lot of souls. Bonus content. Night vision.
Night vision.
Oh my god. There's night vision, hard mode, lithium batteries, and smiley.
You doing smiley?
No, I can't do them yet.
That sucks. Find all the tape recorders. This is like a knockoff of Slenderman, but it looks pretty cool. We'll be right back.
Alright. There you go.
Ah! I would have left. I'll be right back.
Alright. I'll come with.
Mine, not yours, just so you know.
And we're back. Jeez, Landon. I guess this is good so far. The graphics aren't that bad.
For my crappy TV, these are pretty rockin' fantastic.
You can see it clearly in there.
And, it's weird.
No, you can't change sensitivity. So what's it
And
called?
you are obsessed with your sensitivity crap.
Dude,
So yeah, this is like Slender, basically. Just to not go. Oh yeah, gotta find that tape recorder, bro.
When did this get here?
It's been there.
Really?
Yeah. What's that sound? Jeez, what is that?
I don't know.
Maybe that's a sign when a tape recorder's close. Yep, tape recorder. It's a sign when they're close. 1 of 8, yeah, this is like Slender, the heartbeat. Oh my god, this is a knockoff of Slender, but on... What was that? Dude. Watch out!
What the heck is that?
That thing looks awesome, in fair warning.
Dude! Oh, what the? What is that thing?
I don't know, it's about paranormal, so it's probably a ghost. Oh god, that scared me. I didn't expect it. Alright, dude, this is like Slender, but freaking on Xbox. It's creepy.
What the heck?
What kind? Is that a rock or a freaking... Oh, it's a
It's a
freaking...
face.
It's a giant head! Well, who puts a giant head there? Dude, it's gonna freaking flash again, I promise you. Oh my god, this is freaking...
We should get your brother to play this.
I know, him and his friends would love this. Oh,
Dude,
that scares me every
He
time.
was standing right there when it happened.
scares me every time. Oh
Why
my
wouldn't
God.
it be? We're up at the TV.
Good point, good point.
There's
Oh.
more lag.
would have been creepy if it was in that window. Whoa. Oh, I thought that was him.
What the heck?
That's a freaking ghost walking. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. They should have your friend dead. They should show your dead friend. Oh, there's one. You didn't see the note? Yeah. Dude, he's gonna be at that doorway. I promise you. Oh! What kind of... What is that? It's not even a full body.
Oh my god. I only collected 3 tapes.
Ooh. Ooh. I hope I locked the door.
Oh my god.
Oh, that's terrifying. And then you freaking out that ghost, and as soon as you got in here, oh my god.
So like she goes, honey, there's someone watching me. Boom.
I know. Oh god.
Dude, crap happens.
What the freak? Is that? What is that?
It's a dragon.
You sure? I don't even. What was that thing?
Like a woman.
What was that thing?
It looked like an alien.
You only had 3 of the 8, bro.
It took me 4 minutes.
Oh, that's what you found it by too. That's where it killed you.
Wow.
Oh.
Oh, when I get night vision, dude, there's gonna be a whole bunch of new stuff happening. That'll conclude us for our video. Until next time.